supply, yes? You require current to work, yes or no? Okay, you require electrical current. So, from the whatever source of power, the power will come in through this. Okay? So, the cable which is used, okay, it is called as the cable which is connecting between power supply to the machine. The cable between power supply and the machine, usually it is 3 pin. Can you see 3 pins? Why 3 pin? It is same, but why 3 pin? Why not 2 pin? Because the machine will have positive, negative and neutral, earth, to prevent shock. So, to prevent either earth shock or electrical shock to the patient, it is usually of 3 pin. Almost all the machines are of 3 pin. The green one, red, blue and green, 3 kinds of wires will be there inside. The green one is earth wire. The earth wire will prevent any earth shock which is going to get by the patient. Okay. So now this is a cable which is connecting from power supply to your machine. Once you connect it to your machine, there will be on and off switches, either in the back or front. For this machine, it is in the back. Okay. For that machine also, it is in the back. So there will be on-off machines, on-off things. It's very important. You have to make sure the machine will be off, then connect the power supply. When you are connecting the power supply. Okay. Otherwise, sometimes excessive amount of power will spoil the machine. Sudden amount of electricity power will spoil the machine. Next to the power machine, you will have a fuse. You know fuse?
Yes.
So if you see this, can you see this one? This is the fuse. So this fuse will help you. Any excessive amount of current comes, the fuse will burn and it will protect your machine from spoiling. Everybody has seen fuse?
Yes.
So if I asked you, show me the power in. Okay, this is power in port. This is fuse. This is on-off switch. This is the cable which is connecting from the power supply to the machine. From the machine, now we have to connect to the patients. Yes, they are called connecting cables from machine to the patient. Okay, they are like this. Usually the connection cables are 2. Okay, one in red color, one in black color. Usually they are cathode and anode. Cathode means negative, anode means positive, negative and positive. So they all connect from one channel. It comes from one channel. For example, you can see this starting as 1 but dividing as 2. Can you see? Yes. So that means this is one cycle or one circuit. So positive and negative. So the electricity will come in to the patient from cathode, then it will go inside the patient and it will be received by the other electrode, so that the patient circuit will complete. So these are the cables which connects from machine to the patient. Okay, so you have cable which connects from power supply to the machine. You have another cable which are connecting from machine to the patient. So once it comes like this, can we directly put it onto the patient? No, we cannot put. So you should have something that is called as electrodes, which will be applied onto the patient. They are called as electrodes. There are various varieties of electrodes. Here we have 2 types. This is called as carbon rubber electrode. It is called as made up of carbon and rubber. That's why it is called as carbon rubber electrode. This one is called as vacuum electrode. So they will stick it onto the patient and it will usually stay. Because of the vacuum, it will stick onto the patient body. That's why it is called as vacuum electrodes. Like this, you have metal electrodes, pen electrodes, plate electrodes. Different varieties of electrodes are available. So these are the electrodes which you use onto the patient body. Now in the theory, we have already seen the skin has resistance. The skin is a conductor or insulator? Insulator. Okay. So if it is insulated, how electricity will go inside? Huh? By gel or water. So that's why you have to apply either gel or water to the skin, so that the resistance of the skin will decrease and electricity will flow inside the body. So if you just pour the water and keep the electrode, water will stay? No. So that's why you have another important piece in between. This is acts as a absorbent. You will keep the electrode inside. So it's like a pad. Okay. These pads will absorb the water, okay, and they keep the water in them. So when you keep your electrode, this water medium will decrease your skin resistance, and the electricity will be keep on going into in your skin without any interruption. Okay, that's why these sponge pads, these are called as sponge pads, which absorb the water and keep the water. So these need not to be used if you use gel. Gel, no need of pad. Okay? If you are using water, then you need this. Okay? The sponge pads are needed when you are using water only. Now, keep the pad like this. It will stay. Why it will stay? No, it may fall off. So to prevent it falling off, you need the straps. Okay? The straps which you will strap around the body with the electrode inside. You keep the electrode inside and you will strap around the body. So these are the equipments, these straps. Now you are trying to use water and spillage of water happened. So you need some towels to clean and keep your area without water, because again water is a danger for electricity. The patient may get a shock. So you have to keep it very clean and you have to make it absorbent, so you require a towel. This is called preparation.
Contraindication.
Not contraindication.
Indication.
What things you require? What are the materials you require? Wire from the power supply to the machine. Then electrodes. Before electrodes, cable from machine to the electrodes. Then gel or water, sponge pads, electrodes, yes. Then straps. And for cleaning, you require a towel. So these are the materials which are common for any type of electrical stimulation. Whether you do Faraday current, whether you do galvanic current, whether you do dynamic current, Russian current, any of the currents, this is the common materials which are required for electrical stimulation. Now, next one, how to identify which is cathode, which is anode.
Color.
Red.
Okay, red is cathode, black is anode. Positive, which is positive? Cathode is positive or anode? Cathode or anode? Anode is positive. A. Okay, anode is positive. Cathode, C, cat, is negative. Okay, cathode is negative, anode is positive. How to identify? Sometimes, yes, with the color you can identify, but some machines are different. So, there is an experiment. Okay, there is an experiment. In that experiment, you have to take a bowl of water. Okay, you have to take a bowl of water. Then you connect your leads to the machine. Okay, leads to the machine. Put both of them inside the water. Put direct current. Okay, put a direct current, galvanic current. Direct current means one is positive, one is negative. Yes, electricity will come from negative to positive, direct current. So you will put both the currents inside and you start a galvanic current. Increase the intensity to the maximum or to the 75% of the intensity. Whichever is cathode, around that there will be air bubbles. Okay, whichever is cathode, around that there will be bubbles of air around that particular electrode. That electrode is determined as cathode, the other one is anode. So this is a test procedure which they do to find out which is cathode and which is anode. Again I will tell the procedure, I will repeat the procedure. Take the two electrodes, connect it to the machine, put continuous direct current or galvanic current. Increase the intensity, put these electrodes into the water, a bowl of water. In that bowl, keep it for 1 minute with 75% to 100% of intensity. Then, whichever electrode has formation of air bubbles, that is cathode, negative, and other one is anode. Clear? So this is how you will detect which is cathode and which is anode. Why we have to detect? Why to detect?
Why what?
Why to detect cathode and anode? So usually, can everybody come here?
If we put this on the
Yeah.
okay, the positive one on the pen or negative.
Negative one on the page. Right?
Victor say
Can you give me water? Water.
أنا بعيد عليه نفس التسمع.
Can you form little bigger circle? You near. You should be here. You can go back. You can go back.
Victor وشك
Can you give me other the wet pan? It's already wet.
احنا مقطع واحد لا قص كل جزء قص هذا ثالث مقطع
أدرك فيك يا
لا هذا مقطع
إيش هو مصغر؟
What the give the is
لا تصدقني انا اول ما اسوي في الفصل انا مستنهرني جاي عشان اجاوب وانزل السؤال
Can you give me the towel?
حتى
ما يستاهل.
Okay. Shabab.
عيال
So once all the cables are connected, once the machine is on, I am showing this machine. I just want to show what are different types of currents available in this particular machine. So if you go to electrotherapy, if you move this, you can go to the up and down. If you go to electrotherapy, then there is pain management, muscle stimulus, all current waveforms. So go to all current waveforms. Pre-modulated, this is Russian current, interferential current, TENS, Faradic current, didynamic current, galvanic current, high voltage galvanic current, microcurrent, impulsed galvanic current. Okay, so these are the different varieties of currents which are available in the machine. Okay, today we said low frequency currents, that is TENS, okay, or galvanic current, they are all here. Medium frequency currents, again interrupted direct currents, interferential currents, they are also here, they are medium frequency currents, Russian currents and interferential currents, they are medium frequency currents. High frequency current machines are not here, they are down. We'll get it once we start with high frequency currents. Or in the last year, Did it finish SWD and MWD?
Yes.
So that is an example of high frequency current. Shortwave diathermy and microwave diathermy, they are the examples of high frequency currents. Okay? Now,
يعني
galvanic current, continuous galvanic current, 2 electrodes, treatment time. Okay, you hold one nicely. Okay, you hold one. You hold his hand.
يعني هو
امسك يدك
His hand, that hand.
امسك يدك كذا يرجع
Hold, hold.
خط غيراني يرجع
Yes.
دانس
You will dance when I increase the current. Keep it a second. Ready? Okay?
اما بيوصل
الله يكفى على شر.
الاثنين دول تشعب
Oh, nicely. Nothing will happen.
ايش قوم عادي انا حسيت وش تنميل بس
تنميل
بدأت ألعب. سعد الله لو نجيت انت وهو
قبل طيب ربي ملكه شد
Don't worry.
دكتور كراي بس اللي عليك يا غمزه صح
Any current? You
دول قلبي بيسجل مكتب
الله يكفى على شر.
زد
سوري انا حسيت هو طيب خلينا نسوي لا
كوكلي
ما نحسبها والله ها تحس
Anybody feeling? Anybody feeling current?
Yes. No,
Who's feeling?
انا احس انا الصوت
Hold nicely. Hold on.
I can cheat. I never.
انا بعد ما طعم
لا الله يرحمه والديك.
اقسم بالله
لا تشتي شغط أم الشيء.
إيه. والله ما يحسي.
لا والله
تنميل.
والله
I can cheat دكتور.
هاي في
يعرف فيه؟
1 minute.
فيه أنا عز. الله يعزك. يا مال الشوزة.
يا عبد الهادي ترى البحث
ما في داعي
الله يتاكد
من حنانك من الجديد.
تخلي تحطها فوق 15 فوق 18
You can stop it. No. Don't release the hand. If you release the hand, everybody will get shocked. Okay?
يقول لا حد يفك يده.
عشان الدائرة الكهربائية
Anybody is getting the current?
الله.
Yes, yes. No?
يا اخوي يا دكتور
اي فيل
هي اكيد انت تفيل اكيد طبيعي because you are feel ما هي كيف انا اخر حلقه توصل
والله ما
زين ما يوصلها قطع
يلا يا دكتور
عدل يصير اخراج زين ما هو
لا عشان الدائرة الكهربائية توصل.
يا رجال ما تحصل عليهم
عبد الله لا تكثر
لا بنزلها رواب.
Hold nicely. Okay?
موجود تلعبها بدوي يلا بدوي تلعب لو مره
امسك كده
يعني يا رجال
شد يقول شد شد يا
Yes?
يا فيل
I don't feel. Nothing. They are releasing it. Don't release it.
يقول انكم باكين عادي
قطوا يدك صح
انا والله
صايفين
انا
Picture no. Okay. Okay. Who is scared of current? Okay. How what is the feeling? Like needles. Okay, something
ذبذبات.
putting. Okay. Now, which side you are feeling more current? This side or this side? This side. Okay. So, can you see here? This is black. Okay.
Yes.
And you feel current is coming from here and going from here. How you are feeling? Or coming from here and going from here? From here. Okay. So for this machine, this is cathode. Black is cathode. And red is anode. So the current will be felt more in hand than the dorsum of the hand. Okay. Whichever is cathode, there will be more current feeling. Okay. Who want to feel? This is a direct current. Yes or no? Because some ion should be kept under positive electrode, some ion should be kept under negative electrode, under the cathode. So to identify which is cathode, which is anode, so take a bowl of water, immerse electrodes into the water. Okay. Now go to the currents, all current waveforms, select galvanic current, galvanic direct current, not intermittent, galvanic direct current. See, I have kept the channels into second channel, so I will select 2 here, second channel, time just 5 minutes, and increase the intensity. So wait up to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, whichever electrode emits bubbles, water bubbles, that is cathode. Okay? Whichever electrode emits water bubbles, more water bubbles, both will be having bubbles, but one electrode will be producing more water bubbles than the other. So that electrode can be recognized as cathode. The other one is anode. So one by one you can come and see. One by one.
واحد.
This one and this one. Which is emitting more water bubbles?
This one.
So what is this color?
Black one.
So that is anode. So that is cathode. The red one is anode. Okay? It's very clear.
يقول الفقاعات أكثر.
كاثون. هذا الكاثون.
That is cathode. The other one is anode.
شوفوا. في
Okay? Next. Next. See this electrode and this electrode. Which electrode has more water bubbles? Which has more water bubbles?
أي القطبين في فقاعات أكثر.
So that is cathode. The black one is cathode, red one is anode.
اللي فيه فقاعات أكثر يكونون كاتيون.
Okay?
واللي ما هو
Cathode is
فقاعات
negative.
قرب زيادة. قرب شوف.
If you touch, you will get shocked. Increase the skin resistance by applying the water. Why you have to decrease the skin resistance? Because the superficial layer of the skin is a dead tissue, which is not a good conductor. It is a insulator. So to make it more conductor, you have to add water to the skin. When you add water to the skin, it will become a good, nice conductor. So I will put major cathode on the muscle.
كاتون
Okay.
عند مصر.
Cathode on the muscle, yes. Then
يربط.
strap the muscle. The anode on the medial aspect of the forearm. Just another strap.
شوف يشدها هذه ما نعرف
You can give me that. Okay. Once you finish, ready? Can feel the current?
Whoa.
Where it is more? Here more? Here you are not getting the current? No?
مخي سخن
كيف ايش تحس فيه؟
مثلا شوط كار ورا يجي والله يا رجال جاي يفك الكهرباء كلها سكت فرغ الوجه
زي المرة الماضية.
ايوه نفس
تعال
More? Can you feel it now?
لا باقي انفيس.
الله يكثر خيرك. اوه خلاص ايوه
Is it more? Is more?
ايوه
No more? Okay. So actually, Shabab, yes, when you increase the intensity, you can feel the contraction of the muscle. 1, 2, 3,
كونتراكشن.
4. Yes. Okay, you can see the movement.
تحس
1,
انقباضات.
okay, so the muscle contractions you can feel. Each time you feel the current, that muscle will contract. Okay?
لا يقول
The
تحس
stimulation of the
بالعضلة
muscle.
انها تنقبض.
Shabab, if you talk, your video will be so much of noise. Later on, you cannot understand anything when you see them. Okay? Active electrode on the forearm. So, for example, hand if you are treating. Active electrode on the hand, inactive electrode back. If you are treating dorsum of the hand, active electrode on the muscle, inactive electrode on the lateral epicondyle. If you are treating arm, active electrode is on the arm, inactive electrode on the shoulder. Okay? If you are treating shoulder, active electrode on the shoulder, inactive electrode on the neck. So wherever is the starting nerve supply which is coming to that particular joint, before that inactive electrode is kept. For the back muscle, inactive electrode will be cervical spine. Okay? As you are going down, you can move down the electrode, inactive electrode. Active electrode is cathode, inactive electrode is anode. Wherever you want to get muscle, stronger muscle contraction, there should be cathode. The inactive electrode is anode in Faradic stimulation. Can I increase a little more? You're getting current now or stopped?
اوكي
زد انكيز
شوفوا العصب هنا يا رجال
Can you see the movements? Can you see that? It is not by him, it is by current.
يعني بالجهاز تتحرك ما هو.
Relax the forearm. Can you see? Is it painful? Is it painful? So much of pain or okay? Tolerable. There is pain. Okay. See, when you treat your patients, it is better to get a visible muscle contraction. Then you are very sure, very clear that patient is getting a good, strong muscle contraction. In the maybe day 1 or day 2, they may say it may be painful, but later on they will get used, and the more stronger intensity the patient can take,
علاج حق ايش؟
the better will be the muscle stimulation. Okay? This is for Faraday current for forearm. This is for Faraday current for the forearm. Same way you can treat the hand muscles, you can treat forearm muscles, you can treat arm muscles, you can treat cervical back muscles, you can treat thigh, you can treat leg, you can treat foot. All the muscle pictures are there.
It's for the muscles only, right?
Only for muscles. Faraday current is only for muscles.
للعضلات.
And
Which feel
the
other.
the points where you have to stimulate are given here. And this is uploaded in your Blackboard.
Every muscle in the body or just specific muscle?
Specific muscles, superficial muscles only. Most of the muscles are covered.
على
Only
العضلات.
deep muscles.
العضلات السطحية.
محدد ما يكون عضلات الجسم، عضلات سطحية.
إذا فيها ألم هو يعالجها.
Deep muscles cannot be stimulated. Okay.
ما تعرف بعد.
ما لا علاج.
So whatever is there in this picture, all the muscles can be stimulated. Okay, there are pictures for hand, picture for face.
It's in the on the black book, right?
It's there.
هذه موجودة في البلاكبورد.
In the practical section, see the lectures. The motor points. Shabab.
عيال عشان
Shabab. The motor points. Motor point means where the nerve enters the muscle. That is called motor point. On the motor point, if you stimulate, you will get maximum powerful muscle contraction. Motor points for same for any current. Whether it is acupuncture current, whether it is electrotherapy by Faraday current, by galvanic current, by Russian current, any currents, motor points won't change. Okay? The way you stimulate, the way you set the machine, that will change. Okay, if your indication is to strengthen the muscle, then motor points are same. Now another big difference between galvanic current and Faraday current is galvanic current can stimulate a denervated muscle. That means even though there is no nerve connection to the muscle, galvanic current can stimulate that muscle. For example, facial palsy. Patient will get a facial paralysis, one side face paralysis because of the nerve damage. So there is no connection of nerve to the muscles. Still, you can stimulate these muscles by galvanic current. Faraday current cannot stimulate, or Russian currents cannot stimulate a denervated muscle. For them, you require a nerve connection because the action of muscle contraction by Faraday and Russian current is through the nerve. The action of muscle contraction for galvanic current is directly by the muscle. So that is the major difference between galvanic current and the Faraday current. The difference between Faraday current stimulation and Russian current stimulation is Russian currents, 2 electrodes will be on the muscle. Okay, in the stimulation of Faraday current, 1 electrode, that is inactive electrode, which is anode, will be on the nerve which is supplying that muscle. Active electrode, which is cathode, that will be there on the muscle what you are going to stimulate. Okay, now we are going to see Russian current stimulation, how to use Russian currents for stimulating the muscles. Another model.
قبل شويه تحط على حسب الساعه.